There are some things that I don't understand, and this is one of them. Why is Kingston so hot? I cannot understand. If anybody asks me where the hell Kingston is located, I will tell them it's next to hell. If hell was a place in the directory and you look it up, it will tell you say hell near to Kingston. I'm constantly looking out for the sign that says hell 45.3 kilometers away from Kingston. Why is the place so hot? This type of weather cannot be good for your ball sack because you can't produce any type of semen with this amount of heat. If you notice, your ball sack is always colder than the rest of your body. And if you think allow me to tell, check your ball sack right now. They're cool. But in Kingston it's so hot, ball sack can't produce any man juice. Seeing that it cannot produce any sperm, then Kingston must have one of the lowest birth rates across the entire island. For my fellows coming from the country, when you come up here, you don't need no condom. Because you can't go bust a nut. Your ball sack will not be producing not even 1 centimeter of sperm. I joke, man, make your man bring a condom here, boss. Use a condom. Don't make me tell you foolishness. I remember in first year, I had a serious case of hot ball sack. For entire first year, I had hot ball sack. And when I went to the doctor told me say it was because I'm a countryman. So what happened is the heat is too much for my cool, chilled mandibule ball sack. So that's why I couldn't produce any semen.
Oh, I know I couldn't produce any semen. This nigga was jacking off and nothing came out. It was like pow! Blank like a new CD.
But then what the doctor tell you to do, you suffer from a serious case of HB. And what you're gonna need to do is get some IP for your BS.
What the fuck you thought about? I just be initials you just give me. Oh, I don't understand where I.
You suffer from a case of hot balls and you need some ice packs for your ball sacks.
Like, what the fuck?
I mean, if they are looking for people out there to walk on the sun, please come to Kingston. If you need people there who can survive on like the outer bands of the solar system, like you need people who go to Jupiter and all them planets where the weirdness up, go Mandeville. Mandeville people can deal with like freezing temperatures. England people will not shit on people who come from man. That's why it's so easy for people who live in Mandeville to go to England, because the cold over there is nothing compared to what you feel in the hills. But back to the heat in Kingston. This is my advice to the students who are coming to college in Kingston, especially men.
Kingston is nice. It is the shit. But if you wanna bust a nut again, ice pack your dick. Ice. Cool ball sack.
You gotta keep your ball sack cool so that you can produce sperm, because Kingston is super hot. It's super hot fire. And people say you must drink like 8 glasses of water per day. Stupid. In Kingston you have to drink 57.9 liters of water per minute. 5 seconds out of the minute there, you sweat out half of the water when you just drink. You sweat and you can't see. As sweat come to your pores, evaporate. This is sweat in Kingston. Oh, it's so nice to walk. That's exactly how sweat is. So when you adapt to the climate, then you can go back to the regular 8 glasses of water per day. But if you not adapt, if you not drink 57.9 liters of water, trust me, you're not going to survive in that climate. Like, why the hell is it so hot? And it's summertime now, so you know what that means. Temperatures are like some 2,000 degrees Celsius, Fahrenheit, thermometer, right? And then, so hot. People are talking about the desert hot. Send people from Kingston go to the desert. That shit look like a beach. People are talking about Death Valley in a California hot. Man, fuck Death Valley. Death Valley not know one name hot. Death Valley look like a water park compared to Kingston. The average human being bathe probably like 2 times a day. But in Kingston, 17.4 times you have to bathe. People are talking about fan. Fan no work in a dem condition here. You ever turn on the sitting in your car and just be hot tears start come up on you. That's how you feel when you turn on fan. Now me understand the term hot head. Right, literally. Made it on fire. Everything you do in this climate, you sweat. Why is Kingston so hot? Why? I'm burning up. To all the wonderful tourists, if you would like to get a tan, please come to Kingston. You will get the tan of your life. A charcoal tan. People are bleach all in them conditioner. You gotta be stupid. Your brain must have melt. And if the bleacher them nobody know, then you have the girls them where walk around in all type of sitting. You know, summer no woman nothing put on a wig. Wig nothing go on head. We don't feel it. Some of them walk around in all some blouse and skirt, winter boots. In a Jamaica, in a Kingston, in a summer. You're a stupid Chinese first and last name. You know, get that? You a stupid hoe. You a stupid hoe. You a stupid hoe. You a stupid hoe. Why am I not shaking no white rice? Standing. Why is it so fucking hot? What are we doing in the sun? It's too fucking hot, man. It's too hot. It's too hot. I can't take this shit. Oh God. It's too hot. What the fuck? Subscribe! Media. Yes, man. To all the fans out there who keep supporting me, like, I love you guys so much. I have so much respect and love for all of you, you know what I mean? It's crazy. Thank you very much for the support. Give them too crazy. I'm gone!